Alright guys, it is super early this morning and I'm making my way over to K&C and see if I can get some tips welded up, and hopefully that works out. Just do a muffler lead. That's what I did on the other S2000 I had, and it sounded really good, so pretty excited about this. Get these are the resonated tips, and just get those welded in instead of the mufflers. A couple of short pieces of pipe. It'll be pretty cool, so pretty excited to see what it sounds like. So check it out. Man, this thing sounds awesome. Sounds super good. Those resonated tips give it a good mellow tone. I think I like this a lot. See what it sounds like. This thing sounds so good. It's probably one of the best exhaust notes that I've heard out of the cars I've done here lately in a while. This thing sounds super good. Man, that sounds good. This thing sounds fantastic. That sounds amazing. Hey Cameron, you know what I did today? Hear it?
Yeah, you went speeding.
Did you hear the muffler? Yeah, a lot louder now. I went and had the mufflers put on this morning. Actually, I cut the mufflers off, put tips on. You like it? Sounds good, doesn't it? It's not that loud. No, it's a nice little tone. Now we can hear it.
It was super quiet. All we heard is just.
I know. See, now it's a little bit louder, so we can hear it.
Yeah, and that's a good thing, so we know how loud we're going. So the policeman will know that we're not going fast. And if it's all quiet,
used to hang out in a local bar room. Liquor was the only love I've known. You rescued me from reaching for the bottle. It kept me from being too far gone. You're as smooth Tennessee whiskey, and you're as sweet as strawberry wine, and you're as warm as a glass of brandy. I've looked for love all around